What's good, guys? So we're here. We're fucking. We're about to change the. What's it called? Wait? The wheel.
Wheel cylinder bullshit.
The wheel cylinder, booster, whatever the fuck it's called on a Durango.
Tell them that the Durango's all fucked up.
You guys heard him. The Durango's all fucked up. We changed the calipers and now these bitches are fucking leaking
Brake fluid
out of his ass.
Show them the piece that we're about to change though. It's this piece right here. Show them niggas.
Oh, you can't flip the camera.
For real? Fuck it, do the front
one. Dog.
Alright, so this is the piece that we're about to change. This piece right here. How they lift that whole shit? It's leaking right there. Oh, you see that shit?
Yeah.
Fucking bitch. So basically, like I said in the other video, if you have a 02 Durango,
you suggest you change everything.
Yeah, there's a good chance all your shit's giving out. Or already gave out.
That's another homie. Didn't you feel?
This is our mechanic.
This is the new one. It was about $6, $11 for both of them.
14.
So we're gonna change both sides. Una vez. See how long this takes us.
Anyway, the last time that I got, remember I told you that I
little update.
Yeah, that first one I had a leak.
Already took off the old one. Look.
Bro, if you guys need a mechanic, if you guys come to Albuquerque and shit,
let us know. We got this. Here. We got the plug right here. Yeah. Putting the new brake wheel, rear wheel, piston, cylinder, whatever it's called. Bring it back on.
Brake wheel cylinder.
The brake wheel cylinder. Put everything back together. Move on to the next one. Later on, probably in a bit, we'll check out some 22-inch rims. Might put on my truck.
Hey, we're going to record that shit.
Bro.
That's the brand new one right there. That's the old one. Careful. Look at his dumbass. Look at him right there.
Alright guys, got everything back together.
Go turn it on, wait.
Put the cap, I guess, what you would call it.
Yeah.
The little shoe.
Yeah.
Just after that, put on the wheel.
And open the one to the left side. So we already took it off.
Oh man.
Alright, so this one we're going to show you exactly how to take this shit off. Take off the little springs. He's gonna try, but I don't know if he can. Let's see. If not, Gio's gonna have to come and get his baby real quick. Oh snap! Come on, G-Bay. No que de Veracruz y no sé qué tantos chingados. Oh, come on. Look at this because real quick. You're almost picking yourself up. You're trying to.
I'm a little small, bitch, though, bro.
You're a little small? ¿De dónde chinga? Hey, that sounded kind of gay, bro. Didn't that sound gay, wey?
A little bit, wey.
Ooh, wait. Let the nigga from Las Varas try real quick.
No, pero Las Varas poquito peor.
Hey, marito, wey. My fat ass fingers all going the way and shit.
Yeah.
Okay, how do we take this one off the same way?
Ya, güey, solo
With these? No, huh?
My bad, my bad. Yeah, we.
You need to show them, brain, because I didn't even know this shit had it, or it even existed, man.
Not the brakes?
Not the nah, no, man, this. The fucking cylinder, this bitch. Shit, crisscross applesauce in this bitch.
Probably for mom. I didn't bring it.
I'm glad your camera looks good, bro. That shit looks clear.
Just not the screen is fucking about good.
Which one is this one? Okay. I mean, other than that, it looks
I
good.
should almost come like 150.
Good? Good.
That's all start thing.
That's what it looks like when you can't plug in the charger under the bed and shit.
Trying to find a hole?
Yeah. There's two little, what are they, 10 millimeters?
No, 13s.
13 millimeter screws in the back. And then you take off the little, I don't know, the brake line. And they ain't a mechanic shit.
Let me take that shit off first.
Ah, hijo de su pinche. A ver. Damn, nigga. Ugly ass little boy. Ah, hijo de su pinche. Just be careful when you take off the brake line that the line ain't spinning with that shit. Valiendo madre. Oh no, brain. Don't forget.
Yeah, I mean, fuck it, bro, but if your brake line's spinning, there's a big fucking problem there, shit.
So basically, if you can't take this shit off, just smack it a little bit with the chimarrosca, and it should get loose ASAP. And if it doesn't, smack the bitch again. Satínale, primo. And that shit sounds like you're sucking something. So if you guys didn't know, never mind, I ain't gonna say shit. I didn't even know what I was trying to say.
¿Cuánto el otro, güey? Go get it.
Ooh, we left that bitch at AutoZone.
Oh, fuck. Fucking dumb as wood, fool.
And then we'll just spray some, what is it?
Oh, brake cleaner, go get it.
Yeah, some brake cleaner. To get all that rust off. All that
Yeah.
Don't be scared of waiting now. Shit. There's a Sugi. And it has a little work done to it.
There's a WRX swap, you know.
I mean, if you come to AVQ and you trying to race someone, shit, hit up brain.
Hey guys, so ran into a little issue. Turns out both of the rear drum brake cylinders that they gave us, they ended up being both of them for the driver's side. We're gonna go to a different AutoZone and get the correct one for the passenger side. So we'll get back with you guys when we're back.
That was really fast. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, what What the fuck fell? Oh shit.
My card, bitch. Where's it at?
Where's my card, bitch?
Oh shit! You want some food, man?
Alright guys, so we came to do a little quick Mickey D stop. We're hungry than a fat bitch. Look at that. Okay.
I look retarded shit.
Came to an AutoZone, but turns out they don't have the fucking part. Where do I go to now?
Bro, and I told these bitches light ice on my Sprite. Hold on. Bro, they put extra ice on that shit. Look at this mom. Brian, what's
Oh, your frame, bro.
Kids, don't lower your trucks.
What's up guys? So after, what'd you say, was a good hour?
I'll go to whole street. Yeah, like fucking 5 hours later.
We've been going store to store trying to look for the
Wasting all his gas.
been trying to look for the passenger side, but no store had it. We ended up going to Riley's and they had it. My bitch was like almost 20 bucks.
Hey, for real.
And
Bro, over there at O'Reilly's, they're taxing like that.
I mean,
Can I bring?
we finally got it, so I'm about to put it on right now.
Mount that little bit.
Hey, no, sí, primo, pero.
I'm sorry we sucked at camera recording, but you're supposed to put this little piece in first. And then this piece, which is back here. And then this fat spring, and then this little skinny spring. And don't forget to put these pins in, because if you don't, I don't know what will happen, but I don't think it'll be good. So basically that's it on the 02 Durango. Don't buy one though. If you guys, I say don't buy it,
You have the
'cause
opportunity.
everything's all fucked up on these trucks already. Hey, calmadito, primo. Calmadito. It is
I
not.
mean, you want the truth? You wanted me to lie.
I want you to lie, shit.
Now I'm only taste like
Tell me you love this bitch.
I love my truck.
I
I mean,
Hey, boy, I fuck with that stuff rather heavy though, bro.
Oh yeah, bro. Bro, I fuck with the Subi. Even Joe's truck, but he's never here.
niggas don't know Joe's already.
Nope. Them part of the squad.
It's good, bro.
Yo, what's good?
So we're back. You know, I'm gonna do some little shit. There's some people from my family, they call it Dumbo, but we're back. We're gonna get back to Gio's Durango. Both of the rear wheel brake piston cylinder, whatever they're called, they're both on already. We're gonna bleed them now, so everything should be sherry, not sherry.
Cherry.
Look at this.
Bro, you guys need to like and subscribe. Don't like the video if you don't like it, but subscribe to this shit.
Yeah, you know,
We're
it
trying
would
to-
help us out. We're trying to
We're trying to grow a little something here, do something
little by little, you know.
little by little, bro.
Fucking, this is gonna be first couple videos. They're gonna be whack. They're gonna be weird and awkward as fuck, you know.
Hell
but
yeah, cause
It's the first time,
yeah,
but
we get better.
I mean, if you guys enjoy watching videos, like them, you know, subscribe. There's the homie
Are
Gio
you sure it's loosening that shit?
Yeah.
trying to take off the
Oh,
bump
Lucy?
stops
No.
to make his Durango a little
Oh
lower.
no, yeah, look, cause it.
There's a big ear truck. It's my speaker, about to bump some music, kick back for a little bit. That's Durango out here now, the turkey. Coming out. Alright guys, so right now we're pumping, we're bleeding the brakes. A little pump by Gio. Fucking lazy ass ain't his freaking legs already tired. Oh bad bitch.
Oh, the brake pedal feel hard. Does it feel good? Yeah. Like normal? Yeah. Well, we're feeding all of them though. You want to? Yeah. Alright, so what's that one? Turn the wheel. Oh yeah, the other way.
Look at this dumb bitch.
Hey, bro, you guys
Look
trying
at
to
this
watch
dumb
it?
bitch. Hey Gio, that was good, huh?
What size is this bitch weigh?
3/8.